Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to cash out Solana on your Phantom wallet. So I'm assuming you have some Solana on your Phantom wallet, but you're puzzled, you don't know how to cash out this, how to get real cash out of this. I'm going to show you how. So first and foremost, click on the send button over here. Once you click on the send button, select Solana because your coins are on Solana. So what you're going to do is quite simple. The simplest way is to come to your Binance and then click on wallets, then click on deposit. So you're going to be transferring that Solana you're having on your Phantom wallet onto your Binance. So select Solana, then click on the Solana network. So after that, copy this address over here. Once you copy that address, head back to your Phantom wallet right away. So back to our Phantom wallet, come and paste this address over here. Once you paste it, click on next. So if you paste it and you see this green tick, it means the address is correct. So click on next and then input the amount of Solana you're having. So for this case, I'm assuming you're having like 25 Solana coins. Okay. Then input it and then click on send. Once you send that Solana, you receive it on your Binance application. Now on your Binance application, to get the cash out of that Solana, you come here and then convert it from the Solana to USDT. So you search from Solana over here and then you convert to what? You convert to USDT. So you convert, okay? I'm assuming you have 25 Solana coins. Once you convert 25 Solana coins, you receive an amount of 3,661 USDT. So once you receive that amount on your Binance, you go ahead and click on peer-to-peer over here, or you click on withdraw fiat. So anything you want. So for this case, I'll click on withdraw fiat. Once you click on withdraw fiat, you'll be able to withdraw your money, which is in form of USDT, onto your bank account or your mobile money. And that's how simple you could easily cash out. So guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet once again.